What's going on, guys? Clyde here again. Yeah, so I got this little speaker. I have to hold it together because I already unscrewed it. I'm gonna see what kind of speakers in this right now. So yeah, let's go. And it's a little speaker. The stuffing came off because it was old. It's old speaker, a very old speaker. Let's see if I can get this off with my pocket knife. Probably saying in the comments, why are you cutting near yourself? Okay, I got that film off. So it looks like 2 watts on the back. Comes out of this big giant thing, but it's a small speaker that 2 watts. Phone's kicking out like, I don't know, 100 watts. So yeah, this 2 watt speaker. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna try to hook it up onto that. If it doesn't work, then I don't know what's gonna work. But yeah. So this was the year that I was only going to show y'all what it was. It's like what's inside of something, I don't know what kind it is. So, 6 like and I'll see you back. Peace!